Okay, day 2 of my 30-day challenge. Yesterday went well, stuck to the plan. I ate right, did not drink wine at night. I did drink a full gallon of water. Proud of that. I was up at 5:30, I feel great. So this is day 2. Yesterday, Nigel and I had a great call on content. Did a lot of stuff, talked about a lot of upcoming future stuff we plan on doing. I'm gonna do a series with my son Ethan, aka Ezilla, if you want to check him out on YouTube. But we'll do a funny skit series with him, and then I don't want to leave my other son Luke out, so we'll bring him in. We'll do a series, kind of touch on the autism thing, show his beautiful face. And then I was thinking of doing something funny. A lot of people say I look like Dana White. I don't know how true that is, but I got young guys coming up to me in restaurants and bars, taking pictures with me, sending it to their friends, saying that they're with Dana White. So I thought that was pretty funny. I might do a skit on that. And a lot of good stuff coming. I'm gonna keep at it. I'll check in tomorrow.